Finally, the day came. It's been a long time coming. I've been seeing mobile solutions for years every time we go to SEMA and saying I'm going to sign up for a class. But finally, the time came where I was able to go. And man, there was so much to learn. Everybody in the class was really cool and helpful. But to be able to step it up to the next level, this was well overdue. Just a lot of new tricks that come with being a trimmer and doing upholstery. Even audio can be applied to this. Giving things dimension. There's a lot of technology that you can design different patterns, manually cut them on a router, or have laser cutters or CNC cutters for MDF to cut your patterns out. But there's nothing like good old elbow grease to make sure everything fits, sanding everything, getting everything ready. We got everything into primer, and we did this for the classes for 4 days. So every day we got to learn something for half the class, and the rest of the class was working on our project. As you can see, this is shaping up to look like something now that you can see that we did put some upholstery, and you know my color. This was modeled after a classic Restomod Impala trunk. So it's scaled obviously a lot smaller, and maybe you would say it is adorable. I don't like to say that word, but it is pretty cool, I have to say. I'm a big fan of diamonds, so that was right up my alley with that design. And doing a little bit different, painting some accent colors here. And now it's taking shape. Everything's starting to be wrapped. Towards the end, it was like we need to finish it. And as you can see, I'm trying to go a million miles to try to get this thing done because I have a flight to catch at the end of this. And it was getting close to turn-in time, and I was like, dude, I just need to bust ass to get this thing done. And as you can see, I was moving pretty fast on this. But man, really big shout out to Mobile Solutions, Brian, all the guys out there. Everybody was really helpful. The guys, done. And here's my project. Hope you guys like it. Big shout out to Mobile Solutions and for being part of the class and all the tips, man. You guys have a great one.